Good day, everyone. Today we are talking about the Google Gemini AI chatbot, presented by Rob Dawa, Mark Lorenzo, and Christian Dasaysay. So for the introduction, we are talking, it is a set of stage for the deep dive into Google Gemini, highlighted its status as a one of newest and most advanced AI chatbot. So we have a three-part agenda. So the first one is how Gemini can do and how it functions as a multimodal tools. So the second is the positive impact of using AI Gemini for education and creative and productivity. So the third plus is the negative impact. And the last one is the comparison between ChatGPT and AI Gemini.
So for Gemini, what Google Gemini can do? Gemini is designed to understand not only text, but also images, videos, and even audio, which makes it a powerful tool for different tasks. First, Gemini can answer questions and explain topics in a simple or detailed way. It can help students understand lessons, solve problems, or do research. Second, Gemini can create different types of content. It can write essays, stories, summaries, scripts, and even give creative ideas for projects. Third, Gemini can analyze pictures and videos. For example, you can upload an image and ask Gemini to describe it, identify objects, or explain what is happening. Fourth, Gemini can help with coding. It can generate code, fix errors, and explain programming concepts. This is especially helpful for students learning to program. Lastly, Gemini can assist with productivity. It can summarize documents, generate presentations, and organize schedules, and turn information into tables or lists. Overall, Gemini is a very flexible AI that can help with learning, creating, and completing tasks faster. So for positive impacts of using Gemini, one positive impact is increased productivity. Gemini helps users complete tasks faster, such as researching, writing, and organizing ideas. This makes work and school requirements easier to manage. Another positive impact is that it supports learning. Gemini can explain lessons in simple ways, provide examples, and act as a 24/7 tutor. This is helpful especially when students need extra guidance. Gemini also boosts creativity. It can generate ideas for writing, projects, designs, and other creative tasks. It helps users think outside the box and explore new concepts. Another benefit is accessibility. Gemini can assist people who have difficulty reading long text or need help understanding complicated information. It can summarize content or explain it clearly. Finally, because Gemini is multimodal, it can understand text, images, videos, and audio. This makes it more versatile than many other AI tools.
And the negative impacts of using Gemini. Although Gemini is very useful, it also has negative impacts that we should be aware of. First, Gemini is not always accurate. Sometimes it may give wrong or misleading information, so users still need to double check its answers. Second, people may become too dependent on AI. If students rely on Gemini too much, it might affect their critical thinking, writing skills, and problem solving skills. Another negative impact is privacy concerns. If user shares personal or sensitive information with the chatbot, there is a risk that the data could be stored or used for training. It is important to be careful with what we share online. Gemini can also be biases because of AI learns from data that may contain cultural or social biases. This might lead this might lead to unfair or inaccurate responses. Lastly, AI can be misused if used irresponsibly. It can spread misinformation or help create harmful contents. This is why understanding its limits is important. In conclusion, Gemini is a powerful AI tool with many advantages, but users must use it responsibly and carefully.
So for lastly, this is a comparison between Gemini AI and chatbot. For the creative tasks, like writing story, poem, assembling, having a smooth conversation, ChatGPT is often the winner. It's currently excel in creative fluency and natural conversational flow. So for massive context window, this is where Gemini truly show its scale. It has a massive context window, over 1 million token, meaning it has a remember context of from over 1,000 page of the text once. If you are summarizing a huge report, Gemini remember everything. So for the core agriculture, the foundation is different. Gemini is natively multimodal. It has a train for all types, data types like text, image, and code. ChatGPT is a model approach where different model is a simpler like linked together. So for ecosystem integration, Gemini offer a deep integration with Google. This means it's plugged into Google search for real-time information and it easily access your file and docs and drive. For the summary, in short, use ChatGPT for the creative chat. Use Gemini for technical research, informat involving huge document and complex analyzing. Gemini is also a technical powerhouse. So this is